you are not doing those things that the spirit wants at that time, then the spirit says, okay, you know what, this guy he thinks we are playing here. They form a small meeting for you there in the astral world. Now you know the terms, the astral world. They say, Papa, and then that's when you see your family is going. You start to see people are dying. Hey, or sometimes they just, just provoke you and say, just show you some things, so that you can just wake up and say, I must remember that I must go back to, I need to rush to Nigeria, or I need to rush somewhere, I need to get something again. You see, so in essence, the spiritual secret is that many people that we are following and many people that we respect in this world are doing some very, very, very creepy stuff behind the scenes. That is the truth. And people want to make it a joke and say, snake. Yeah, guys. Many people that we know. Many people that we know. Some of them, we see them on TV, we look up to them. They are doing many things that are not okay at all. And these things, they are doing them because of they want power, they want wealth, they want prestige, they want so many things. Yet the price to pay is very, very bad. Me, my purpose as a shaman as well, it is not to come and spiritually manipulate spirits and say, no, this spirit, because I'll tell you more about elementals. Actually, we can go deeper, we can go the whole night. Because there's so many things, I'm sure you'll see, I'm going on about, because there are so many things I want to teach about. You can talk about elementals. These are thought forms. These are spirits as well that you can create yourself, or these are spirits that you already find there. They've been there for many, many years. And then the people, they come and say, hey man, spirit, they've got names, by the way. Spirit, come and do this thing for me. That is the purpose actually of secret societies. The purpose of secret societies, if you want to know what is the purpose of Illuminati, or the purpose of the Skull and Bones, or the purpose of Ogboni, the purpose of secret societies, these men, righteous men in the society, some of them in parliament, government, Hollywood, some of them big guys, they meet up and they must do these things for their spirits as well. So some of the spirits, because there are many spirits, I don't want to lie to you, there are many spirits. Some of the spirits actually, they are for that group, the Illuminati. Maybe you, as Lindile, you cannot call that spirit and say, hey, I hear there's a spirit called Klonek that is helping the Illuminati. You don't play far. Hey, play far. Play far. Some spirits are for these groups. Some spirits are available free. There, come and use me. I'm ready. After Chisampama. And me, how do I have experience with the spirits? I want you, one day, some of you will have money, you'll be rich, you'll be very successful. I want you to learn from me. One day you have money. One day you have success, you have serious money. One day in your life, you'll have money. And when you have money, you'll remember my words. You know what these spirits they do? Sometimes, if in your own way, let's say you're connected with your path, you know your cosmic agreement, or even if you don't know, but somehow you are fortunate enough to do things that you are really born for, that God called you to do on this world. They can look at you from a distance. Who's this guy? They check your baking. They check your spirits now. Not anyone, just spirits looking at you. Maybe they can see you in a club. They can see you there at Chubana. They can see you at any club. They can see you dancing and enjoying, and they see you. They just look at you because some of them, they're following people. They're always with people behind. Remember the spirits. They look at you. Hey, they say, this boy, who is he? They check now. They say, David, let's check. They check the spiritual. They see that this guy is pure. He does not have any spirits that he's using. He does not. He's a prayerful person, this guy. They will approach you through the dreams. It starts with the dreams. You start to dream beings that are out of this world. You start to dream things that are shocking. Actually, you start to see them, these things. They start to come to you. When you have man, one day when you have man, you will see these things. There's no rich person in this world who has never come across these spirits. They come to you in your dreams. They say to you, Papa, we can see your halfway. People are excited. You are making it big. Hey, even the market, you are killing it. 90%. Let's put some argument, man, in this refuing guy. Let's just put you in oomph. In the spirit world, I'm saying in the astral. Remember when you are dreaming. When you are dreaming, that's why some people, they can have prophetic dreams. They can see the future through their dreams because of these dreams. When people are dreaming, they're in the astral world. So in your astral world, that's where you can see people, sometimes you call them your ancestors, you can see so many things in your dream worlds. So that is where they can access you, if they cannot find you physically like this. If you are a very spiritual person, they come to you like this 9-9, but usually it's through dreams. They say to you, my man, we can see that you are making it big, but how about Hollywood, man? You have dominated South Africa, you've dominated Nigeria, you've dominated Africa, you're holding it like this, Shaya. How about you take it to Hollywood, man? Man. I'm telling you, in the dream there, if you are not strong spiritually, many people, they agree. They agree. And when they agree, hey, it's amen. Because of now, you must know that you have signed a pact that is very dangerous. Indeed, you will rise up. But your death will be a death that will be known worldwide because it will be horrific. So it's so sad what is really happening, guys. I'm saying every rich person, I don't want to care, I don't care who you are. That one, I can talk for myself. Anyone who has money, who's going to have money, is going to be approached by the spirit world. They're going to come to you. People that you see in the secret societies, Illuminati, they didn't get approached first physically like this. Some of them, they were approached. They can say, man, we can see you're a minister of parliament. We can see you're a president. You can see you're a what. Come. So they take anyone that they can see has got a big star or a bright star. Some people, I know, they're wishing these people if they can just come to me. Sometimes they can come to you even before you have money. They say to you, man, we can see. And remember, they come to you, they already know that you are going to go far in life. They come as if they are the ones. Spirits will never make you rich. They can only pull your future successes and bring them nearer. And you must know that sometimes in your life, you are supposed to go through suffering. That suffering is going to pay what is called a karmic debt. After it is paid, you will have money everlasting. But because you're impatient, you put your karmic debt aside. This spirit, it manipulates your dimension. It causes an alternate reality and makes you, number one, start bringing tenders, start bringing deals, start making you what. What happened to your karmic debt? What happened to what you were supposed to face in life is aside. Once things, you don't want to see those things when they come. When those things come. And what happens is that sometimes it's not them causing these things, the spirit now, causing, they just move back. Remember, they were the ones manipulating your dimension to make you successful. They just step back because you're no more doing what they want. As a matter of fact, there's a time when you'll just not do everything that they want. And you step back. When they step back, right? Because they open up those things that were supposed to happen to you. If you're supposed to have a small scratch of the car last year, it's number one. If you are supposed to be robbed, just to lose a purse, so many things that were negative, small things that are just naturally supposed to happen, as life is natural and positive. They didn't happen in your life. You are living a Superman life. When they just pull back, when those things come in, Papa, So as a shaman, I'm here to say, guys, unfortunately, I want to go deeper, but you know what? At the same time, I know I don't want to step on toes. I just wanted to say one thing, the spirit world, it exists, number one. Spirits exist. You see, I didn't talk about the Bible. I did not talk about Christianity. I didn't talk about Islam or Judaism. I didn't talk about those. I didn't talk about them because of now I wanted to cover this other topic. I'll come again next time and I'll talk about them. It's just that always I like to say I'll come and come and come. Remember now, these evil spirits. Remember I said there are two spirits. They are the positive spirits that are there in this world, that are here to help humankind. That are the ones that are, I can call them, maybe I can say they're angels. Because I don't want to also step on other toes of religion as well. Other people say, you see now. But I'll just say there are positive spirits in the world that are there. That are just here to oversee humanity, to oversee inventions to come through, just for the advancement of earth. For the advancement of earth. And there are evil spirits that are here. Oh, there's a Reverend guy who's teaching people this. There's a Reverend guy who's helping people this. Oh, there's this guy who thinks. We are coming to help humanity. Us, we are called the light workers. We are light workers because we bring light. We are showing people light. And then we are the most fought with because of now. I just made some few people aware that there's other worlds above. There's astral world, there's Akashic world. Some people will go and start to study. This is very unnecessary for the evil spirits. They are very angry. That is why I must always be in meditation. I must always be in prayer because of the work that I'm here to do, which is to elevate people from poverty. And it's not going to be a straight road because of the evil spirits. They are going to also try to fight against that cause. So guys, don't listen to someone who says it's a lie. Spirits, snakes, what. People like to say snake a lot. And sometimes, they're lying. Really, they don't know what they're talking about. But the spirits exist. There is I repeat, there is no rich person in the world. It's just that rich people don't talk, you see, who has never come across a spirit like this. Those people, they're going to come to you, they're going to approach you, they'll tell you, man, we can elevate you from A to Z. We just want small things, they say. As time goes, you'll learn a lesson. And there is no rich person in the world, I'm so extremely rich, that does not have a secret room. A secret room, like a room that people don't enter. There is no one in the world who does not have a very rich person. Why? What is happening in the secret room? In the secret room, that is where people, the rich people, they do their things. I also have a secret room, by the way, but it's not a snake that you'll find there. Instead, you'll find the mats, you'll find my yoga cloth. Actually, the secret room is a spiritual room. It's supposed to be the room where you create your world, your own world. It's supposed to be where you access the higher spirits now and communicate closer with God. That is supposed to. But right now, as I said, the evil and the positive. So everything you find in the positive world, the evil spirits also have something similar to that. So even those guys have their own secret rooms. In the secret rooms now, they find those kind of things that they must now talk now. I've got a deal that I'm going to sign tomorrow morning. I would like you to make sure that I get that deal. When you get there, and these people who have spirits are easy to find that they've got spirits. These people, when you are around them, you can even feel sleepy. They are very strong, man. Their aura is strong. These people, you can't even when you look at them in the eyes, because there are weak things behind them. And even when you're supposed to compete with them in something, maybe for example, it's an interview. These people who come with things now, you can feel also, even the interviewer also gets dizzy, or you even forget questions. You get lost. You must know that this one. And sometimes you can mistake these people with these spirits to say, this guy is he's going with some angelic beings there behind him. It's just small spirits there. Those people are dangerous. So I've never went live with anyone. I'm going to just take a few questions. I'm going to switch on the comment box. If you have any questions, just quickly.